Hey y'all, I'm super excited to show you this townhome style condo, centrally located, very close to I-90, downtown Seattle, Capitol Hill. Let's take a look at this beautiful townhome style condo. Come on. One thing I really love about this home is that it's fully fenced and extremely low maintenance. As you can see here, our seller installed nice turf. It was great for his pups, and these plants are very easy to maintain and makes for a nice private little oasis in the city. Walking in, the first thing you're gonna notice is that everything has a beautiful open concept. We have high ceilings, modern light fixtures, big tall windows here, open concept kitchen. You have your stainless steel appliances and your beautiful gas range, oven, microwave, fridge here with extra storage and a coffee nook. Over here you have your Harry Potter storage closet and then a back exit that allows you to go to the side patio. Coming up the stairs here, number one is we have a tankless hot water tank and an upgraded Samsung stack washer dryer with a lot of smart features. Your bathroom is extremely sleek, modern, has a floating vanity and a Bluetooth shower head as well. One thing I love about this 2-bedroom, 1-bath home is the very high vaulted ceilings in the bedrooms. It allows you to feel very ethereal and relaxed as you get some rest. You have your closet here. I love these 4 picture windows here. You can see some evergreen trees out, very private, very Pacific Northwest. This second room here could be used as a flex space, a beautiful south-facing picture window here. You have floor to ceiling windows on this side. This room could be a kid's room, it could be a second living room, a recreation room, or your guest bedroom. The choice is yours. All of this for under $600,000. Another thing I want to point out is how convenient the parking is. Of course, you have street parking. It's unlimited street parking. We have here your mailbox, and the design of this place is super cute. And you simply walk right down here, and here is your parking spot. It is fully equipped with EV. It's got a Tesla charger. So this home really has it all. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. Again, this is Daniel Dovin with Compass Real Estate, here to help you find your place in the world. Take care.